In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a chart template in MetaTrader 5. If you find yourself rebuilding the same chart layout over and over, adding indicators, tweaking colors, turning the grid on or off, templates will save you a ton of time. I'm on the Windows desktop version of MetaTrader 5, and the process is simple. Start by setting up any chart exactly the way you want to reuse it. Add your indicators and adjust their inputs. Change the background and candle colors, pick your preferred chart type like candlesticks, bars, or line, and decide whether you want the grid displayed. Zoom to a comfortable view, and make any other visual or indicator tweaks you rely on. Think of this as your master look. Whatever is on the screen now is what the template will capture. When your chart looks perfect, open the template menu. You can do this in several ways. The quickest is to right-click anywhere on the chart, hover over Template, and choose Save Template. You can also go through the top menu by clicking Charts, hovering over Templates, and selecting Save Template. Or, if you see a Templates icon on the toolbar, click it and choose Save Template there. No matter which route you take, you'll arrive at the same Save dialog. Give your template a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. For example, My EMA Setup. Then click Save. MetaTrader stores it in the platform's Templates folder and adds it to your template list, ready to use on any other chart. To apply your saved layout, open a new chart and load the template. Right-click the chart, go to Template, and select your template name. Or use the Charts menu, then Templates, and pick it from the list. You can also select it from the Templates toolbar icon if that's visible. Instantly, MT5 applies your saved colors, indicators, and settings, so your workspace looks just the way you like it without manual reconfiguration. This works across symbols and new charts, so you maintain a consistent look while switching instruments and analyzing quickly. It's a simple way to standardize your workspace, reduce errors, and speed up your routine. A quick tip before we wrap up. Choose names that help you stay organized, such as including the strategy or indicator set in the title. That makes it easy to spot the right template when you're working fast. And that's all there is to it. Set up once, save it, and reuse it on any chart.